Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration for transferring leads from a Google Lead form to Sendlane email marketing service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead form to other systems. For example, in Sendlane you can add new contacts and set up email campaigns for them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select a data source system. In this case, choose Google Lead Form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead form. In this case, select Sendlane, Add Contacts. At this stage, we need to create a virtual Google Lead form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. This is the URL where new data from the Google Lead form will come. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your personal account Google Ads. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Section Assets and select Lead Form. Now you need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Next, find the Item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy the last part of the URL and paste it into the key field. Now you need to generate a send of new data to this URL. For this, click Send Test Data. After successful sending, we save the settings and return to the personal account Save My Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Sendlane account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify the API key. To receive it, go to your personal account Sendlane. Next, go to Settings. API section. Click API Token. In this window, you must specify a name for the new token. Copy the API token and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you need to select a campaign to which new contacts will be added with each new lead from the Google Lead form. Now, you see the Sendlane fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from the Google Lead form to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Also, don't forget to select the tag. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Sendlane as new contacts for each new lead from the Google Lead form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Sendlane. After successful sending, go to Sendlane and check the result. Please note that after sending the test data, an email from Sendlane will be sent to the specified email address confirming the subscription to the email newsletter. Only after you confirm this newsletter, the contact will be added to the Sendlane personal account. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead form to be instantly transferred to Sendlane as new contacts, you need to enable Auto Update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.